Welcome to Baking with Saucy Treats. Let's get to it. Before this video starts, let's hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. In today's video, we will be learning about fondant again. This is episode 3. Today we'll be learning how to make a name cake or any type of cake you desire using fondant. You have to get familiar with these tools. These are the things that you would need over and over again to create any kind of fondant design that you desire. This particular design, I use a rectangle cake pan. It's easier for me to create letters and numbers using this. For every piece that you put together, you want to make sure you have some icing between the layers so that they can stick together. Then you will start to apply the crumb coating icing. So the object of crumb coating is just to make sure you lock in all the crumbs so that when you apply your regular coating of icing, whether it's fondant or royal icing or buttercream icing, that you don't see the crumbs on the finished product, basically. The next step is to apply the last main coating of icing. You want it to be enough where you don't see the crumb coating. Now, while your design is in the freezer chilling, you can start working on the little details of your fondant cake thing. This theme is like jewels. So you'll see at the end reason why I went with the jewels. So by now your cake should be covered in fondant. You can apply the detailed designs that you created. As you see, I created a cake name, which was for Van Jewel, aka Van. I created jewels for the detailed design, so it goes with the name Van Jewel. And yeah, so whenever you create your first fondant cake, just make sure be real detailed with designs, and the product should come out very nicely and smoothly. Thanks for watching and baking with Saucy Treats. Please subscribe and hit that thumbs up.